I was a bit quicker going up there, wasn't I?
It's just got that little bit drier, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Did I kill it?
No.
Did I kill it? No. Alright.
That sounds like the cable. You know where the zoom is?
Up there, yeah. What is he doing now? I don't know.
Gonna go the other way around.
Yeah, I had a bit.
Yeah?
I left taps, just said there's a bag of food. Oh, he's going the other way.
Yeah. I stopped having that damage on the way here.
Oh, it didn't sound very healthy.
I think if I come here another day, I'm going to kill it. Get rougher and rougher on it. We need to get a pure off-roader.
So you do what you're doing, you got some of the other people doing.
Yeah, but half of them don't take them home at the end of the day. Oh, we got that all wrong then?
Yeah, just a bit.
Yeah, he went too wide.
But no one gives way to you, have you noticed that? Everyone just goes.
It's a bit more manic today, isn't it?
I don't think anybody wants to stop, that's why. It's not just stop, that's it.
It's drying out quite nice and quite sticky now. He's completely out the ruts there as well.
Yeah.
There's a bit of a dip out there as well.
You'll find it.
He's made his own ruts, hasn't he?